You don't need permission to start, you don't need approval, you don't need everything to be perfect. You only need a decision. Right now, small steps today create big results tomorrow. Not loud steps, not dramatic moves, just small, intentional actions done consistently. Progress doesn't shout, it whispers. Consistency will introduce you to opportunities, motivation never will. Motivation comes and goes, but consistency stays even when you don't feel ready. Even when you're tired, even when no one is watching, you are not behind. You are becoming. Life is not a race. It is a process of growth, learning, and self-discovery. Every experience, good or bad, is shaping you into someone stronger. You don't need to see the whole path. You just need enough courage to take the next step. Clarity comes after action, not before it. Stop waiting for the perfect moment. Perfect moments are created by imperfect starts. The version of you that keeps trying will always outperform the version that keeps waiting. Your past does not define your future. It only explains your strength. You survived things you once thought you wouldn't, and that alone proves how capable you are. Growth feels uncomfortable because it requires change, and change requires letting go of who you used to be. But every level of growth demands a new version of you. You don't need to do everything today, just do something. One page, one call, one step, one brave decision. That is enough for now. Silence the noise. Stop comparing your journey to someone else's highlight reel. Focus on your path, your timing, your pace. Comparison steals joy and kills momentum. You are allowed to outgrow people. You are allowed to change your mind. You are allowed to choose yourself. Growth sometimes means walking alone, and that's okay. Your dreams are valid, even if no one understands them, even if no one supports them yet. The strongest belief must come from you. Discipline is self-respect in action. Showing up for yourself, even when it's hard, is an act of self-love. Don't underestimate what consistency over time can do. A year from now, you will wish you started today. So start now. Rest if you must, but do not quit. Pauses are allowed. Giving up is not. You are building something meaningful. Even if progress feels slow, even if results aren't visible yet, trust the process, trust yourself. Every day you show up, you are rewriting your story. One decision at a time, one step at a time. Breathe, refocus, keep going. Your future self is counting on you. You don't need permission to start, you just need courage. And courage begins right now.